students, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is need of water. So why do we need water? Can you imagine a single day without water? I cannot. Because what happens if I feel thirsty? I need to drink water. In this pandemic situation, we have to wash our hand very frequently. But if there is no water, how can you wash your hand? So we need water in each and every moment. So we cannot live without water. We use water for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, and cooking. Plants also need water. Animals also need water. Water is the life giver. All living thing needs water. Water helps us to digest our food. It helps us to carry food to different parts of our body. Water helps us to eliminate the waste matter from our body. Water is needed by all plants and animals. Plants need water to grow. They need water to make their own food. Water dissolves nutrients and carry these nutrients to different part of the plant. Now, where do we get water from? We get water from many sources. These sources are man-made sources and natural sources. We get water from many sources. The sources are natural sources and man-made sources. The snow from the mountain melts. It turns into water. Water comes from the following natural sources: rainfall, waterfall, river, stream, lake, pond. All these are natural sources. We get water from some man-made sources also. Tap, hand pump, well, tube well, tank, dam. All these are man-made sources. We get water from food item also. When we eat raw fruit or a raw vegetable, we also get water from them. The food items that contain waters are spinach, milk, watermelon, orange, tomato and radish. Water is found in these food items naturally, so they are good for our health. In summer, we eat this kind of food item so that we can feel refreshed. So in this chapter we come to know why do we need water, what are the sources of water, what are the man-made sources and what are the natural sources, and also which food item contains water. So that's all about this chapter. I hope now you can understand this chapter well. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home and study well. Bye-bye.